problem C, we will separate the k squared 7k and plus 2 by apply the property number 2 and number 3. We can separate the plus and the minus. So k from 1 to 24 of k squared minus the sum k from 1 to 24 of 7k plus the sum from k from 1 to 24 of 2. So the first one for k squared, we can use this property number 7. So we will have n is 24. So 24 times 24 plus 1 times 2 times 24 plus 1 and divided by 6 minus for the 7 we can pull out the 7 by using the property number 1, so we will get 7 and the sum of k from 1 to 24 of k, and we will use the property number 6 for the sum of k only. Then that will be n will be 24. So we will have 24 parenthesis 24 plus 1 divided by 2. And for the last one, we just have a number. We will use the property number 5. We will have c times n. So c is a constant. The constant that we have in this case is 2 and n is 24. We simplify this, we will have 4900 for the first one, minus 2100 for the second one, plus 48. And we get the answer, final answer is 2848. In problem D, it's a little complicated. It's because we notice that the k does not begin from 1, the k begin from 6. So let's explain this idea. If we have A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus A6 plus blah 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 until, for example, you have A100. So you have 100 terms add together. So your n is 100. Your k go from 1 to 100. What if I want to calculate from A6 to A100? What do I do is I will take the whole thing from, so this is mean that A6 plus until A100 will equal to the whole thing, which is from A1 plus until A100 minus from the pink one, which is A1 to A5. Okay, because from A1 to A5 plus from A6 to A100, you get the whole thing. So if you want to get the A6 to A100, the yellow, we will get the whole thing minus the pink. So the formula is number 4. So that's what they explain in the formula. So we will apply the formula number 4. So what do we have is we will first of all take out the 4 outside the sum so that our sequence will be k squared only. Okay, and then from the 4 outside we don't have to do anything, and your n is 20. So we will do the sum, the whole thing, which is k from 1 to 20 minus the sum of k from 1 to 5. The reason why we like to have k from 1, because we can apply the property 5, 6, 7, or 8. So 4, and then for the k square from 1 to 20, we will apply number 7. And your n will be 20. So we have 20 times 20 plus 1 is 21, plus 20 times 2 is 40, plus 1 is 41, divided by 6, minus. Now the k is k squared. We still apply number 7, but our n could be 5. So we have 5 times 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, divided by 6. Then we will get the answer is 4 times 2,870 minus 55, because we cancel the 6. And then the final answer will be 11,260.